Hi friends, let me show you my new bottle carrier that I bought. It is intended for when you are going out to a hike, to a mall, to walk in the park, to the beach, wherever you want to go. You can have this. You can use it crossed like this, or like this, and you can put here maybe your IDs, some money. There's another compartment here with this kind of grip for your keys, maybe your phone, and basically this is for your water bottle, as big as this one. It has this tightening accessory, so you can bring with you your fresh water, your cold water, and you will have your hands free. You don't have to be carrying around anything. It will help you to protect it a little, to insulate it a little from the weather. Or you can have some other bottles like these ones, and when you close it, it won't even fall from it, okay? So this is a great bottle carrier. It also has this other way of handling it, carrying it. Like if you really like to have it, if you are this is if you like to carry it like this with you. So you have both options. I think it's great. I really like this over the shoulder one, and I really recommend you this one if you need to carry your bottle with you in any hiking. Thank you.